I'm super excited to share with you how I used 2 items from my recycle bin to create 2 fall decor items. They're super cute in my opinion. I absolutely love them and I hope that you guys like them too. If you are new here, then hello. I hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel. Like doing DIY projects, then you want to definitely keep watching this video. If you've already been living life with lawn, then thank you so much for supporting me and returning for another video. You want to keep watching to the end because I've added a bonus DIY that you definitely do not want to miss. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into that video. Okay guys, so what you're seeing here is a Powerade bottle that I cut in half. Took my candle lighter to burn the ends so they wouldn't be so sharp, and then I went in with my Waverly chalk paint in the color moss and applied 2 coats to the bottle. Later on you will see that this particular end of the bottle did not make it to the final cut. I thought it'd be super cool to show you guys how to create fall decor or any other type of decor using items around your home. So after applying 2 coats to the top and the bottom of the bottle, I noticed that the top part looked more like a water bottle and not what I was going for, so I had to toss it. I had a pack of wood stems from the Dollar Tree on hand, so I used those. You could very well use a stick or a small branch from your yard. Here's where I start to see my vision come to life. Got a little excited and almost lost my stem. So applying more glue and allowing that to dry completely. Now here I just applied some leaves that I had left over from a pick, because I wanted it to look a little realistic. So does anyone have an idea as to what they think I'm currently making? If you guessed a pumpkin, you are correct. This is a pumpkin. I'm just going to continue to add some embellishments. I'm making a quick jute bow to put on the stem, and again just try to make it look like a pumpkin and less like a bottle. Everything that I used in this video, I will link it in the description box below. Well, I think this item is pretty self-explanatory. It is a 15-ounce can. Once I put the stem on, I realized that I needed just a teeny bit more height, so I added an additional stem to that stem to kind of make it taller. I also went in and did some distressing to kind of knock down the orange. It was kind of bright in my opinion. So I'm going back in with some more embellishments because again, I cannot let this look too much like a can, okay? I just can't. And it seems like in my last couple of videos, I have been like stuck on these pumpkins and I don't even know why. So I feel like I should probably move on to another fall decor. I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing pumpkins. I headed over to Walmart because I wanted to add in a pretty mom for the front porch decor. And just for a fun fact, a mom's real name is a chrysanthemum. I had this mop bucket out in the garage that we were not using, and I had an idea for it. To dress up my Dollar Tree mop bucket, I went over to my silhouette to cut out a cute little saying to adhere to the bucket. Crafters, please let me know what type of transfer tape you use. I was having problems getting my transfer tape to adhere, so I ended up using painter's tape, and it worked pretty well. Now, here's why I punched the holes in the bottom of that mop bucket. I'm going to transfer this mom over to the bucket, and I want water to drain properly. If you're going to do that, make sure the pot you're transferring to has holes in it. There was a tiny piece in the back that was kind of hanging on by a thread. It broke. And here's the big reveal. What do you guys think? So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIY creations as much as I enjoyed making them. I hope that you guys would consider making them yourself. Please feel free to change the color. Again, it's your DIY, so you can do whatever you like. You can create the color to whatever color you like. You can use different types of cans. You can use different types of bottles and jugs, and just whatever you find around your home. Don't be afraid to think outside of the box. Please don't forget to comment below. I do read those comments and I enjoy interacting with you guys, so please drop me a comment below and let me know if you will create this craft, which one you liked. Personally, I think they came out really great and they look great on the front porch. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys are all safe and well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.